Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you through the process of rendering a video in CapCut for PC. Rendering is the final step in creating a video where all your edits are compiled into a single video file. Follow along and I will explain every step in detail. First, open CapCut on your PC and load the project you want to render. You should already have your video clips, edits and effects arranged on the timeline. If your project is ready, look towards the top right corner of the interface, where you will see the Export button. Click on it to open the export settings. The export window will appear, showing various options to customize your video. Start by naming your video in the Title field. This helps you organize your files. Choose a descriptive title like Sample or any name that matches your content. Next, you will select the folder where your rendered video will be saved. Click on the folder icon next to the save location, navigate to your desired folder on your computer, and confirm the selection. This step ensures you know where to find your finished video file. Now, look at the video export settings. Click on the toggle or drop-down menu to access these options. The settings you select here will determine the quality and size of your video. First, choose the resolution. For high-quality output, 1080p or 2K is recommended. Higher resolutions, such as 4K, are also available if your project requires it, but keep in mind that higher resolutions may result in larger file sizes. Next, set the bitrate. The recommended bitrate is typically fine for most projects, but if you want to increase quality, you can manually adjust it. Higher bitrates result in better video quality, but also larger files. If you are unsure, leaving it on the recommended setting is a safe option. After that, select the video format. The default option is MP4, which is widely supported and works well for most use cases. Unless you have a specific reason to use a different format, stick with MP4. Now, set the frame rate. This should match the frame rate of the original footage in your project to avoid any playback issues. Common frame rates are 24, 30, or 60 frames per second. Adjust this based on the type of video you're creating. Once you have finalized all the settings, review them to ensure everything looks correct. When you are ready, click on the Export button. CapCut will begin rendering your video. This process may take a few minutes to complete, depending on the length and complexity of your project, as well as the performance of your computer. During the export process, you can monitor the progress through the export status bar. Once the rendering is complete, a notification will appear. You can then locate the video file in the folder you selected earlier and play it to confirm everything looks as expected. That is how you render a video in CapCut for PC. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.